Alright, so a large part of cleaning the fan, a lot of people forget, is this back area where the actual motor is located. Remember that dust contributes to heating, and so a large part of the overheating and what causes your fan to fail is this right here. Look at all that gunk. So most people clean the blades as we're doing right now, but they often forget this back part. Look at the amount of dust. Look at that. All this does is contribute to the overheating of the device, and therefore shortens the life of your fan. So remember to clean that out also, right? And you can just use a simple paintbrush, a scrubbing brush. Remember, don't apply water to this because it's all electrical, so no water needed here. It's just to brush it down and get rid of all that gunk from inside. So while we're staying safe from COVID-19, remember that we don't want to catch any respiratory diseases. So clean your fan people, and it's hot days in Belize. But remember, the motor is also important, right? Good. So a quick wipe down, get all that out. If you have a little bit of compressed air, you can use that to just quickly blow out all the dust from inside, so that works, just to help you guys out. With the blades, what you want to do is to just, after you've dusted them off, take a nice damp cloth and just wipe the blades off, and also the protective covering that goes on the outside. You also want to wipe that down with a nice damp cloth after you've used the brush to kind of brush off all the dust, right? So when you're finished, everything should be down like that, with all the blades missing, and this of course will continue to dust off and get everything back up and running. Remember that you spend almost 18 hours in front of your fan blowing directly into your face, so you're breathing in all that dust, you're taking all that dust into your lungs, and it's definitely not healthy for us, right? Especially during this time where COVID-19 is prevalent. Good.